All right, guys, so some big changes is happening right here to Kayak USA. I just wanted to hop on here today, make this quick announcement video to share some of the changes that's fixing to happen and let you know why I'm doing what I'm doing. One of the first changes that I made, and you might have noticed already in 2021, I decided that I'm gonna upload every Thursday at 2 p.m. Central Time. Now the reasons for that is I want to put more time in the editing of the videos, I want to put more time in the filming the videos, and I used to, up until 2021, I was very sporadic about putting these videos out. I would wait and edit one and then get it up, and it was on random days and times and stuff like that. I don't like it when other YouTubers do it, and I wasn't happy with myself the way I was doing it. So this year I started out every Thursday, 2 p.m. Central, I'm gonna have the next video in the series that I'm doing, whether it's a trip that I'm on or build like this Bucks Island build that we're doing right now. So Thursdays at 2 p.m. Central, look for my videos, no more sporadic videos. So the big thing that's happening on my channel right now is I'm adding a membership to Kayak USA. And what that means is if you look up under this video, beside the subscribe button, there is a join button. You click that join button and you become a member of the Yak-Squad. Now, there's a lot of perks if you want to click that button and support my channel by becoming a member. But I do want to put this out there right now that by no means at all do you have to click that join button and support my channel to get the content that I'm already putting out. This is not going to take away from me building these kayaks and doing the kayak adventures and the kayak DIYs and stuff like that. All of that's still going to happen right here on Kayak USA every Thursday, 2 p.m. Central. That being said, if you do want to support my channel and click that button, you become a member of the Yak-Squad, like I said, a member of the Yak-Squad. So once you become a member of the Yak-Squad, the perks are you get to see my videos 24 hours prior to everyone else. So it'll be my videos will go up Thursdays at 2 p.m. So Wednesdays at 2 p.m. my videos will be available for my Yak-Squad members. Another perk is once a month I'm going to go live for questions and answers and help on builds and stuff like that. And the way I think I'm going to do that is every month in the community tab on my channel, I'll make a members only post. So if you're not a member, you're not even going to know when I go live. You're not going to, when I go live to members only. Now I'm still going to go live to my regular channel too, but when I do members only things, if you're not a member, you won't even know that it's happening. So once a month I am going to go in the community tab and I'm going to post a poll, and we're going to vote on a date and a time when you guys want me to go live, when my members want me to go live. That way everybody can hop in together, we can communicate through YouTube right here on the channel, and I can help you out with builds or mods that you're working on, or maybe I'll be on a trip, on a camping trip, and I'll go live just with you guys to share my experiences and stuff like that. So that's going to be really cool. I'm looking forward to this membership thing because I feel like it's going to be a tighter knit community and we can work together and I can really help you guys out and become more one-on-one with you guys. Another big thing that I want to do for members only. Now, the guy that inspired me to start doing YouTube, his name is Trip Smith. That's his channel name if you want to check him out. He's from Dothan, Alabama. His channel used to be called Sailing and Such. Now, back when he had Sailing and Such, his channel was about the size mine is now, and he used to do subscriber camping trips. Now he does a thing called Rock a Dock every year, and it's super cool. Y'all need to go check him out. But back then, when he did subscriber trips, he would have a list, and only so many people could sign up and become part of that trip, and we would sign up really quick, and we went on an overnight trip on an island, and then I went on I think 2 of his subscriber trips, and it was really fun. Anyway, that being said, I want to do that with my membership community. The guys who click that join button and become members and become part of the Yak-Squad, I want to start doing at least 1 or 2 members only trips. And what that means is we can organize a date and a time that we meet up somewhere. We'll pick a lake, it doesn't necessarily have to be around my area. I don't mind traveling and, getting in a different area if it's closer for more people in the membership to meet up. And we do like overnight camping, like a Friday night and a Saturday night out on an island or something like that, kayak camp, just way out in the boonies and just hang out and get to know each other. I think that'll be really fun. So that'll be one of the perks. And then there's going to be other perks in there. It's just things like, I'll do sales on certain decals, and you guys will help me out with the designs and stuff like that on my members only group. We'll have members only chat and stuff like that. But I think it'll be really fun, and at the same time, that members only is really going to help support my channel because all of this stuff that I do and spend money on is for making this content better. If you go back and watch my videos from 2-3 years ago, the audio was horrible, the lighting was horrible, the cameras were horrible. I mean, I still really tried back then. I just didn't have the equipment. Well, over this past year, I've been really, I decided, you know what, I'm gonna give this YouTube thing a try and just go all in. So I've spent a lot of money and put a lot of time into this to make these videos quality for you guys. So if you want to support me, that is the best way to do it. Just click that join button. It's very little and it goes a long way to really help me try to make this YouTube thing last longer and maybe even grow bigger to where I can quit my 9-to-5 maybe one day and just put out more videos than just one every Thursday. So members only videos, members only streaming, live streams once a month. We can do questions and answers and stuff like that. 24-hour in advance videos and a bunch of other stuff. So if you're interested in really supporting my channel, I really appreciate it. Now, by no means at all am I asking you guys to click that button. If you don't want to do it, you're still gonna get the content you're getting. You're still gonna get my kayak DIYs and stuff. I'm just wanting to add more things for you guys who become members. So the motorcycle camping trips that we're planning right now, we're actually planning some dual sport overnight trips in the mountain where we're gonna hammock camp. We're gonna load these bikes up and go camping. I'm really not gonna put that kind of stuff on my Kayak USA main page anymore. Those videos are going to be for like members only. So my bass boat restorations and stuff like that, I'll probably keep a lot of that to members only. Now, I'm not going to go everything strictly. You know, if I do something, I really want to share it with my whole community, it will go on Kayak USA. But a lot of the other stuff, the more raw and uncut stuff, I really want to share it with my members only community and help you guys out. And in a way, we can help each other out, and I really appreciate it. So I'm gonna quit rambling. If you see the join button next to the subscribe button under this video and you want to support my channel, click it, become a member of the Yak Squad, and I really appreciate it, guys. And I'll catch you Thursday at 2 p.m. Peace.